You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is 8 equals 48. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Convert the m into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is 8 equals 48.